Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about downloader in your smart TV LG. Okay, now I know that you know that we can get downloader in smart TV LG. Download that app in LG Content Store. LG Content Store is App Store or App Store in LG. Okay, now like Play Store or like App Store in iPhone, LG Content Store is similar. It's like that. Okay, sorry for my English. I know that is awful. Now, how we can get downloader in smart TV LG? We have two options. The first option is use a different system. Example, Roku, okay, or Chromecast. Chromecast is most popular Android system for to smart TV. Okay, it's better than Roku. Yes, I prefer Chromecast that Roku, but that you prefer, okay, like that you prefer. Now this is the first option. The second option and my favorite is use this is a HDMI cable. Okay, with this system you don't need a downloader, don't need nothing. You just need connect your mobile or PC or laptop in your TV and duplicate your screen mirror. Now, like that. With this and this button, can you see now I have here my screen mirror from Windows. With this, can I see any movie, series, anime, whatever, YouTube, Twitch, Kick, doesn't matter. All is possible with this system. Now you just need one cable and your mobile, table, tablet, laptop. With this example, I can put HDMI in my with my cell, or with this, can I put this in my computer? It's very easier and more efficient and more secure. Okay, secure for my system, for my TV and my laptop. My doesn't matter. My red, obviously my red. Remember, downloader is danger for your red. Okay, this is all for me for this video. Sorry for my English. I know that is awful, but I just try share my system. Okay, have a good day.